Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lash Tech Supplies is probably one of the most crucial investments a lash artist can make, directly impacting the quality, longevity, and overall aesthetic of their clients' lash extensions, and choosing the right products is paramount to achieving stunning results and building a reputable brand in the competitive beauty industry. Number 5. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo Plus Brush. Introducing our premium eyelash extension shampoo, designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. It removes makeup and impurities without damaging your lashes. This foaming cleanser is safe for both eyelash extensions and your natural lashes. It ensures your lashes stay healthy and clean. Perfect for both professional lash artists and at-home users. Achieve salon-quality results with this easy-to-use formula. The kit includes a specially designed brush for thorough yet gentle application. It helps lift away debris and product residue. Regular use helps maintain the health and longevity of your eyelash extensions. Keep your lashes looking full and beautiful. Effectively removes all traces of makeup, including stubborn mascara and eyeliner. It's a safe and gentle makeup remover for your delicate eye area. What we like. This gentle foaming cleanser is perfect for maintaining lash extensions and natural lashes alike. It effectively removes makeup without compromising the bond of your extensions. If you're looking for a daily cleanser that keeps lashes clean and healthy, this is a great choice. What people say. The formula suds up exceptionally well, effortlessly removing any dirt, oil, or makeup residue that may accumulate throughout the day. The result is beautifully refreshed lashes that maintain their fullness and longevity. It removes oil, makeup, and buildup really well, leaving the lashes clean and ready for application. The foam is gentle on the eyes but still very effective, and the brush helps clean thoroughly without irritation. It does an amazing job of thoroughly cleaning my lashes every single time. It completely removes mascara, eyelash glue, eye boogers, and any other buildup without burning or irritating my eyes. Number 4. Ocim 100 Pairs Under Eye Pads for Lash Extensions. Discover the ultimate solution for your lash extension needs. These under-eye pads provide a comfortable and effective experience. Crafted with hydrogel, these patches offer a soothing and hydrating feel. They are designed to stay in place throughout your treatment. Whether you're applying lash extensions or tinting your lashes, these pads are your ideal companion. They ensure a clean and precise application every time. Get great value with this pack of 100 pairs. You'll have plenty on hand for numerous clients or personal use. Elevate your lash services with these premium under-eye patches. They are designed for professionals and beauty enthusiasts alike. What we like. These hydrogel eye patches are designed for ultimate comfort during lash extension application. They are lint-free and provide a smooth surface to work on. If you're a lash artist who prioritizes client comfort and a clean workspace, these are a must-have. What people say. Clients consistently mention that they feel comfortable and soothing during appointments, which matters a lot when someone is laying still for an extended time. The quality and comfort have been solid and the value is excellent with 100 pairs per pack. These under-eye pads soothe my clients' eyes while I'm lashing them up. Easy to apply and doesn't stick or hurt them when I remove. Goes on smoothly and provides extra hydration for fresh eyes. Number 3. STACY Lash Sensitive Eyelash Extension Glue. Introducing our sensitive eyelash extension glue, designed for professionals. Experience incredibly low fumes and a gentle, latex-free formula that minimizes irritation. With a convenient 5 to 6 second drying time, it offers comfort and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and experienced lash artists alike. Enjoy a super long-lasting hold of up to 4 to 5 weeks. This adhesive ensures the best bond for your client's sensitive eyes. Our glue is sold in a sealed package to preserve maximum freshness and ensure the best, longest-lasting bond. Please remember, this product is for trained lash artists only and is intended for semi-permanent false eyelashes. Read the description carefully to avoid misuse. What we like. This sensitive lash glue offers incredibly low fumes and minimizes the chance of irritation, making it ideal for clients with sensitive eyes. Its 5 to 6 second drying time is forgiving for beginners. If you're a lash artist working with sensitive clients or are new to extensions, this adhesive provides a reliable and comfortable application. What people say. The glue has a black color and is more on the watery side so it doesn't clog onto my lashes. The formula dries quickly, which is perfect for both professional and personal use, allowing for efficient application without compromising on quality. The glue has a low fume level, further reducing the risk of irritation or discomfort. Number 2. Hoka Lash Eyelash Extension Kit and Training Course. Dreaming of becoming a certified lash artist? Our comprehensive kit and training course are designed to guide you from beginner to professional. Start your journey with confidence and skill. This professional kit includes all the essentials for practicing and mastering eyelash extensions. You'll find everything from lash trays and premium glue to precision tweezers and a handy fan. Our expert-led training course provides hands-on instruction and valuable insights. Gain the knowledge and techniques needed to excel in the beauty industry. Included is a practice mannequin head, allowing you to hone your skills in a risk-free environment. Perfect your application and build the dexterity required for flawless results. Upon completion of the training, you'll receive a professional certification. This opens doors to exciting career opportunities as a skilled lash technician. Invest in your passion and transform your career with Hoka Lash. We provide the tools and education to help you succeed in the dynamic world of lash artistry. What we like. This professional lash extension kit comes with comprehensive training and certification, making it perfect for aspiring lash artists. It includes all the essential tools and supplies needed to get started. If you're looking to launch a career in lash artistry and want a complete package with expert guidance, this is the ideal starting point. What people say. The kit itself came with everything I needed: high-quality lash trays in multiple lengths, tweezers, adhesive, remover, under-eye pads, and even practice lashes on a mannequin head. Everything was well packaged and clearly labeled, which made it easy to jump right in. The videos were clear, detailed, and easy to follow, covering everything from lash theory and safety to proper application techniques and client care. There were step-by-step tutorials, and I appreciated the focus on hygiene and lash mapping, which are crucial for getting good results and staying professional. The kit is very easy to use and my daughter was able to start practicing right away. The lashes are of high quality and look very natural when applied. The glue is also very strong and holds the lashes in place for a long time. Number 1. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Primer. Discover the secret to longer-lasting lash extensions. This advanced formula prepares your natural lashes for a superior bond. It effectively removes protein and oil, ensuring a clean surface. This maximizes the adhesive's bonding power for incredible retention. Achieve flawless application every time with this essential pretreatment. It's designed for individual and semi-permanent extensions. Our professional-grade primer is a must-have in your lash supplies. Experience the difference it makes for your clients. Enjoy enhanced retention and a stronger bond that lasts. Give your clients the beautiful, enduring lashes they desire. What we like. This primer acts as a protein and oil remover, ensuring a clean surface for optimal adhesive bonding. It significantly enhances retention, leading to longer-lasting lash extensions. If you're a lash technician aiming for superior retention and a flawless finish for your clients' extensions, this pretreatment is essential. What people say. My favorite primer for lashes extensions. I have been lashing for 3+ years and this one gave me the best retention. This primer cleans the lashes perfectly and helps the extensions hold much better. I use this as a cleanser and dehydrator before individual lash applications. I have not had any issues with it and I love the fact that it cleanses the lashes as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.